Okay, I'm back. So now I'm gonna put all this back together. That's what I gotta do. So let's see, we got a small screw that's gonna go over here. Hold this bracket there. This one goes right here. Bracket goes right there. And I believe it's this screw right here. Yep. So now it's getting it in position and, and having these guys stay there while you put the nut in. That's the alright. That one's gonna go right there. Alright, let's see if I can get this in there without dropping it. I know what I'll do. Let's see. Alright, that's a lot better. Okay. That's good. This guy. Gotta take it off. No need. That was not. All right. Gotta push that down. That's my sensor, speed sensor. I gotta get it way down there because it's gonna come way down over here to this guy. Yeah. All right. Let me see what. I need this thing back up. All right. Here's that. Okay, is that going to be an issue? All right, right there. Okay, here we go, one more time. Okie dokie. Alrighty. Okay. All right. That should not come apart. Now, this guy, I'm hoping I can get it in here. Well, first of all, get this bad boy. Get this in here. there. Okay. It's going to go up here. All right, that goes in one over here. All right. It's going to go right there. Tell you, man, there's not much wiggle room in here. This one's going to go right up there. Okay, I got enough room there. I got enough room there. It's just getting this screw in there. It's going to be kind of odd. See if I can do it with my left hand. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it with my right hand. See if I can do it with my right hand. Okay, got it in there. Man! Alright, now, have I locked myself out from grabbing the speed sensor? Because the speed sensor's got to go way across over here. All the way over here to this guy. Man. And it goes I see how it goes. Okay, so it goes over here. Alright, it's coming across. And now I'm going to do it like this. Bend it that way. Alright. And it's going to go right there. And this one's going to go right into it. Hopefully. Yeah. Well, it's supposed to. Huh. Well, yep, not much room to move there. Okay, I think I can put this one up already on there. Okay, let's put this one up, put them back. This one should There it is. That one's a little tight. It's weird. All right. Now, gotta get that plugged in. Not much room. That's the only bad thing. Hey, I'm sorry, I've been blocking your all's view there. God almighty. This is like... I think I might have to undo this. All right. Crap. Let's undo this one. Wow. Excuse me. Okay, can I get it with my right hand? I can't. Let's see if I can get this up right. Okay. All right. So let's see if I can get this sucker in here and then clip on. Okay. Man, they really don't want those things to fall off. Okay, now plug this sucker in. See if it'll do it. There it is. Awesome. All right. Okay, cool. Now, put this guy in there. All right. Now, let me tighten that first. See if I can get this in there. Tighten it from here. Okay. this guy in there. Okay. Alrighty. That's all connected. Nothing's hanging on anything else. All right, cool. Now, it's this guy. Oh, there's a hole. There's one here and there's one there. How does that go? Okie dokie. Now, putting stuff back. All right, I'm not going to bore you with this stuff. I'm just putting the other stuff back. So, okay. Later. All right, so I'm just putting this thing back together here. It goes there, I think. Yeah, and they're keyed. There's only one way for them to go. Okay, I'll just put them in for now. This little clip goes underneath here, but first I got to put this guy on. And what is this? Is this a, yeah, it's a 12. Again, I'm doing this to hold it. Because there's no way I can get my all right. That went pretty cool. Pretty good. All right. That's good. This one. Okay. As Erico says, torque to factory specs. Click, click. Click, click. Yeah, the torque for these, it's like, I want to say it's like 10 Newton meters and stuff. I'm not going to worry too much about it. Those things are not going to come undone. All right, now plug that in. Plug that in. Plug that in. Okay, this one just went in. All right. Okay, this bad boy is going to go over here. This guy goes right underneath here. There you go. All right. That's good. This guy's going to go over here. All right. Cool. Okay. Whew. There's a couple other little things I need to do, but my main concern was that speed sensor, and I'm hoping that solves my issue. So I do need to connect the battery and stuff, and then start the car and take it out for a cruise. I need to put this bar back. I probably won't do that till Wednesday. So, man, I feel so much better now that I got all that back together. All right, later.